What's going on, brothers? This is Joe from Brothers Off Grid. I'm here with my brother Hayden, and today we're going to be building a teepee out of a tarp that we got from Home Depot. We're going to be cooking some gourmet food over the campfire, and honestly, we just kind of sat around the campfire and just enjoyed the view. This place is absolutely beautiful. What do you guys think of the view? A little windy today, but we're gonna get through it. All right, so today we're gonna be building a teepee out of a tarp. Just got this little tarp here from Home Depot. It's 12 foot by 16 foot. Got a little duct tape here. We watched one video on how to build a teepee last night, and today we're gonna try it out. There are, I think I said like 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So if the audio is bad, that's why. And we picked the perfect day to use a tarp. 20-mile-per-hour winds. Alright, so now we just need to measure from here to here. And what we want to do, even it up with the middle of this side. And right there is going to be the tip of our teepee.
Now we got the knife tied onto the rope. We're going to cut all the way around, and we're going to cut the base of the teepee out.
Alright, so now we just need to stake this cord to the end right here. Kind of use it as a stencil to cut out the opening. We're going to do it on both sides here. And then you just cut right along the line to there. Cut right along the line to there. You got yourself an opening to the teepee. Alright, so we put some wood on here just to keep it down. The wind kept blowing it off. Now all we have to do is grab the duct tape and just duct tape around the outline to make it more sturdy, you know what I mean? And that's where we're at.
Yeah.
What do you think?
The guy we watched the video lied. He lied to us. He said a shorter tarp so we would come out here and look like fools. That's what happened.
He told us a 12 by 16 tarp. We go to Home Depot, we spend 40 bucks. 12 by 16.
And why are tarps so much money now?
12 by 16 foot tarp. We're cutting it all up. We realized this fella was using right down 30 foot tarp.
He's 20.
Hopefully this all pans out. Storm's coming in. You can't even see anything that way anymore. It's
Cold.
freezing out. It's pouring down snow. We don't have our shelter ready, but we should have it up within like 30 minutes. So get the shelter set up, get a fire going, warm up. We're gonna get this done. All right, so we're like 90% of the way done, as you can see.
The top up there, it needs duct taped a little more or it's gonna fall down on us, but besides that, we're just about done.
It turned out a lot better than I thought it was gonna, to be honest.
Yeah.
You know, it's bushcrafting, a little bit of white trash as well. So, I don't know, man. I think it's about time for lunch. Put her there, brother.
Brother.
Oh, jeez, that was a lot. First trip, we've had a successful lunch. Feels nice.
Yeah, we brought brats every single time we came and we haven't got to eat them once. We finally get to eat a brat.
A little pink in the middle. I'm not gonna lie about
Is it really?
Yeah. Still eating it. It's supposed to get below freezing tonight. It said it's supposed to get down to like 26. So, I mean, our sleeping bag should keep us warm. We had no problem the last time. But it's going to be a cold night for sure. I don't know if it's supposed to snow. Did you see?
I don't think it's supposed to, no. No snow, no rain.
And the wind died down too. That's pretty crazy. It was really howling earlier. Yeah. Out of the few camp spots we've went, just backcountry or whatever, this is the nicest one.
100%.
Nicest view. Nicest view.
That's about
What
it.
else? That's all it takes for me, a nice view. Give me a nice view and... gonna leave my other sleeping pad out there so we have something to sit on. So I'm just gonna throw this one down for now.
High five.
Put it there.
It's going out.
One eternity later.
Put this grill on here, get it warming up. Right here, it's probably hotter. And then let those warm up. Oh yeah.
That's a good temp.
All right, time for a taste test. It's freezing outside, it's snowing. So we're gonna have to eat this quick while it's still warm. And I'm eating it just like this because I don't have a knife. Absolutely delicious mushroom. Perfectly cooked. Couldn't have cooked that better. Potato. Perfectly cooked potato. I don't know how we did it. Didn't time anything, but we cooked it perfectly. It is freezing. It's like 25 degrees, snowing. Gourmet meal.
We're gonna eat. It's cold. So we've been hanging out by the fire for a while now, and it's getting pretty dead.
What time is it right now?
Check your phone.
It's 10 o'clock right now, 10:09. The moon's super bright out tonight too. And
A bunch of clouds will come in just here and there, but it's been decently clear all day and all night. It just snows off and on.
I'm hoping that the wind doesn't blow too much tonight, since we're in a tarp. That'd be pretty funny if it blew our tarp away. But yeah, time to get in. Time to do my jumping jacks. Got to get warm before you get in.
We're gonna run around the little fire we got.
Probably do a couple cartwheels. You never know.
Yeah.
Got to get that body heat up before you get in. So It's like 20 degrees out right now, so it's really cold.
We'll be all right. Good night.
Just got in the sleeping bags. It's about 10:30 right now. Probably just listen to some podcasts or...
Actually, I downloaded School of Rock. So we're going to watch School of Rock.
Okay. I'm down to watch a little School of Rock.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll see you guys in the morning. So it's 6:30 in the morning now. Just woke up. It was a pretty warm night. I definitely got more sleep than I got last time. I got about 3 hours. What about you?
Yeah, probably same. Only thing that really was getting cold for me was just my nose. My nose would not stay warm.
Yeah, dude, I swear it had to have gotten down below 10 last night.
Yeah, it got really cold, at least in the teens.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure in the teens.
And it still is right now.
Yeah, it's all like the condensation and stuff on the tarp. It's just like all frozen and stuff in here.
But let's get up, let's get a fire going, warm up, let's cook a little breakfast. This is still a little warm too. That's crazy. Chili.
A little crispy. Oh.
For a campfire, that's great. Campfire meal. We got some cream cheese here. I'm gonna touch it. Sorry. And then some strawberry pie filling.
That's definitely good.
Toss this back on there. Close her up. Toss her in the coals. And let her sit there for a while. All right. I believe it's done. Oh yeah. There you go.
It's actually warm and it's actually good.
Yeah.
It's actually really, really good. Holy crap.
All right. I hope mine turned out as good as yours.
How is
Probably
it?
got it over my face.
No, it ain't bad.
Oh my goodness.
It's good, huh?
Dude, the cream cheese.
It's good.
The cream cheese makes it.
I know.
That's better than McDonald's.
Yeah, and that's the thing is like we were trying to kind of imitate that.
Yeah.
The McDonald's, because who doesn't like a McDonald's strawberry cream pie?
They're the best.
Yeah, like this actually competes with it.
This is better.
I don't know about that, but
This is better,
the
brother.
preservatives they have in theirs.
Dang, that's good. That's a success. All right, well, we got everything packed up. It's about 8:30 in the morning right now.
Breakfast was really good, filled my belly. So now it's time for the hike back to the truck.
If you guys would like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. We're doing this every week. Have a good one.
Goodbye.